Understanding game duration in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and usage of the phrase, game duration. Whether you're a sports fan, a gamer, or just keen on enhancing your English vocabulary, this video is for you. The term, game duration, refers to the total amount of time that a game lasts. This can be applied to various contexts, such as sports, board games, video games, or any competitive activity that is time-bound. It's the span from when the game starts until it ends. In different scenarios, game duration might mean different things. For example, in soccer, it includes 2 halves of 45 minutes each, excluding any extra time or penalties. In contrast, video games might use game duration to describe how long a player takes to complete a level or the entire game. There are several expressions and terms related to game duration, such as half-time, overtime, and timeout. Understanding these terms can give you a better grasp of game dynamics and rules. Game duration is crucial in strategy making in competitive activities. Players and coaches plan their tactics based on how long the game will last, which can significantly affect the outcome. And that wraps up our discussion about game duration. I hope this video clarifies how this phrase is used in different gaming and sports contexts. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering the English language in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.